we'll guide you through how to install Claude Code on Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude Code website. You'll want to download the latest version compatible with Windows 11. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, typically in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to begin the installation process. A prompt may appear asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. The Claude Code Setup wizard will open. Here, you can choose the installation path, but it's usually best to stick with the default location for simplicity. Click Next to continue. You may also be asked to agree to the terms of service, so make sure to read through them if you'd like, and then click Agree. The installation should start, and it may take a few minutes depending on your system's speed. Once the installation is complete, you will see a Finish button. Click it to exit the setup wizard. Now, you can find Claude Code in your Start menu or on your desktop if you chose to create a shortcut. Go ahead and open the application to ensure everything is working correctly. You might be prompted to sign in or create an account, so follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. If prompted, allow any necessary permissions for the app to function smoothly. Congratulations! You now have Claude Code installed on your Windows 11 machine. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.